Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing in and locating Google My Maps. This is where you'll host your custom map. Once signed in, upload a prepared GeoJSON, KML, or CSV that includes lat/LNG headers so Google can parse locations. Make sure your file is cleaned, remove duplicate rows and obvious coordinate errors, and verify it's under size limits for smooth import. This initial step speeds everything downstream and prevents. Once your file is uploaded, create a new My Map and click Add Layer, then import to bring data in. As you import, map your CSV columns to title and description fields so pop-ups show useful info. This matters for usability. If you have a large dataset, split it into logical layers to reduce clutter and to apply different styles. Then style points by column and choose icons and colors. This visual organization makes the map readable and editable. You finish by configuring sharing. Set private, link only, or public and assign viewer or editor roles depending on collaboration needs. Once set, export as KML or grab the embed iframe to place the map on a website. Make sure to test the link on both desktop and mobile to confirm behavior. If something breaks, troubleshoot by checking coordinate formats, header names, and removing special characters in the file. Then re-import. That usually fixes parsing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.